It is important to know who is logged on to a computer. Now, you might think that's easy to know because you're sitting there right in front of the computer and you know who's logged on. Sure enough, that part is easy, but people can be logged on from other computers or from other remote resources. And that kind of information is important because you might have some sort of a malicious piece of software on another computer that's connected to this particular computer. You might have a piece of software on another computer that's actually watching or monitoring this. For instance, if someone is doing shady things, they might be monitoring this computer and making sure that they keep track of what's going on. So, there's a utility that's part of sysinternals called LoggedOn. I guess it's called PSLoggedOn, so type PSLoggedOn, and it will tell you whoever is logged on to the local machine. As you can see, Rick is logged on right there at first. And then it says no one is logged on via resource shares. Okay, but if there were anybody, it would show you their names. Now, we could put this to our capture.txt file. And you would see the results right there. The problem with this is we've lost anything else that we've done, for instance, the date and time stuff. So what we really want to do is instead of that greater than, we want two greater thans, and when we use two greater than symbols, that means append. Of course, we still lost the date and time information, but if we look at this, we'll have two sets of the logged on information. Now, I actually have a batch file that I'm working on right now that puts all this stuff together, and the two things I have in the batch file so far are the get time and date and the PS logged on. So if I type collect, it runs both of those. And now I can look at that, edit capture.txt, and it shows me the time and date and whoever is logged on. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to keep, as I talk about these utilities, I'm going to keep adding them to this capture.txt file and the collect.bat file. You don't need to worry about those steps because I'm going to be doing them for you. But on your flash drive, the collect file is already there, and toward the end I'll show you how to run that and collect. It should automatically collect all this information.